Second part?
Now, when should we teach us?
Not you.
Not what?
So I've got another year. No, I've got another year, but we'll probably put you back with Mrs. Gr11. That's the right thing to do. If I didn't believe it was the right thing to do, I wouldn't do it.
So this is the right thing to do, right?
No. How did you get shin splints?
Running.
They can rest even if they're conscious, right? They won't forget it.
What do you do? Middle distance?
Yeah, so I do triathlon, so some like a run, and then I started building up mileage to do my first half next year.
You deserve shin splints. Because you've got to be insane. That's amazing. Well done. Okay. All right. Okay, going. Okay. All right. Did I not say you may not go anywhere near that man? Come, sit.
How are you?
Fine, thank you. And you?
I'm stressed now.
Hmm?
I'm a bit stressed.
Who, me?
Yeah.
Why?
I'm just asking. I'm a little bit stressed.
No.
Okay. I'm just checking.
Thank you. Appreciate your concern for my mental health. I teach, by definition, that's stress. Okay, all right. So, next little section we're getting onto under population ecology is the regulation of population numbers or regulation of population size. Okay. So one of the terms you need to know is the term environmental resistance.
Oh, we're going to have another class test on this.
No.
Ma'am, up to where is the cycle test? Up to which, like?
Where we get to the day before.
I've already said it's
I'm quite right. I sort of know how far we're going to get.
Are you serious about this?
Yes, can't stop being a wuss.
No. But all the definitions, if we don't get to some work that doesn't have that definitions in the paper, we'll just have all the definitions.
No, it'll be on work we get to that far. Okay. With the relevant definitions in there. So you'll see that there's definitions of human population stuff in there. We won't have finished humans. Okay. So then you won't learn.
So those definitions aren't like science where they say define this, and then it's kind of, so they'll ask you a question and say, how does whatever, and then you have to realize that you need to bring the definition into your answer. They're not going to plain out say it's defined.
They very seldom give that. If they do, it'll be for normally 1 mark. It'll be, you know how the questions are scaffolded. So you get, say, a graph, and then they ask you easy, more difficult. Occasionally they will, as the first question in a scaffolded set of questions, will ask a definition, but they don't do it often.
But can you do it after?
No, yes, maybe.
Will we have a class test this time? Or
No.
just the sample test?
Just a sample test. So these things are the equivalent of class tests.
What is the weighting for the class tests? 50/50?
These things,
Yeah.
25 and sample test 50 at the moment.
Were those class tests?
Yes and no. No, so they count as class tests. They will be equivalent of class tests. So what I will do is, as soon as we finish the sample test, I'll look at how you kids do and maybe wiggle the weighting a little bit.
And then this term, so of those 3 tests, that be 50 and then exam also 50.
Oh, I have no idea. I don't know how Bowley works. Okay, right. Muiza, we're going to move you. Because I think it's...
I promise, man. I promise you. I promise you. I think I promise you.
How sanitized? You wanted to ask a question. Oh, have you guys got a bet going that you're not going to let me teach today? Is that what's going on here? Miss Chloe, what?
What's going to be in the exam then? I know that you said population, but now population's in the...
Okay, so, okay, just hold on, this thing is... No, population will be in the exam. Teresa, are you okay? This cut connection for a while. Are you okay? Are you there? Can you hear me? Stop it! Sorry, not you. No. Put it back. May I just point out, don't ever ask me a teacher again if they're stressed. Especially not if they've got in the class. They obviously don't care. Okay, so the exam. What I need to do is just determine how far we're going to get with matric work. I'm hoping to do 3 sections. If I do manage to get that far, then all 3 will be in, plus the eye and the nervous system. Okay, what are we getting when we win this bet that we don't let Mrs. Page teach? Come on, we used to do this with my Afrikaans teacher all the time. Go.
There's literally, ma'am, do they check out biology?
No.
Yeah, there's nothing there. There's nothing there.
There should be.
No, I mean for
Yes, Muiza, what do you want to ask?
Is our exam just based on
What were you doing while we discussed this?
Just dreaming, ma'am, it's okay.
Oh, okay then. Yes.
So we're only going to have 1 paper this year for exam.
And a prac exam.
And then the prac exam. And then will we have an essay now?
Yes.
I hate essays. I hate them.
Hey, you think I can't stand marking them?
I feel
Hate marking them.
I'm sorry, we meet in the middle and just like take
Not do
it.
it.
You're welcome. I appreciate that.
A stupid question, but
That's fine.
you know,
I'm getting used to it in this class.
you know, sometimes in our exams, our prac exams, we work with what's that stuff called? That it's not hydrochloric acid.
iodine.
No, that stuff that when it touches your skin, it goes white.
Catalase. No, hydrogen peroxide.
Hydrogen peroxide. Ma'am, what if during your final exam that gets on you and it burns you? Are they going to let you leave to go?
It doesn't.
It just makes you bust. Okay, no, it burns me.
Alex, we will just ask you to die quietly. How's it? Yeah, there we go. Those screams of agony from the corner must just stop.
Stop it, just write another one.
I know. You guys have won this bet.
Ma'am, it's no bet.
So, Connor, we're going to do brownies each tomorrow. Oh, yes,
I don't think Connor ever hears anything I say because he's always on his phone.
But it's okay, it's all
I can multitask.
No, you can't. You've got a penis. You can't. Then the other question I have to ask
Yes.
is where does that surname come from?
Russia. And my name as well.
Okay.
And then my middle name is Alexeyevna. So that's
Say what?
Alexeyevna.
Wait, say it again.
So what do you speak at home?
English and then
End of
Post 1, 14th of September 2020, 5-minute lesson. Pass.